Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So really quick video over how to maximize the life of your oil. So first and foremost, we're going to put full synthetic oil in your vehicle that actually meets the manufacturer's specs. I'm not going to use some knockoff name oil that you've never even heard of before that don't even meet half of the specs that say Chevy or GM or Ford or Chrysler or whoever require. But in addition to using a super high quality oil, we like to put the BG MOA oil conditioner in. This is an engine oil supplement. So now y'all know I can actually read engine oil supplement, and that's exactly what it is. It's an engine oil supplement. What it does is it reduces carbon buildup inside the engine and it enhances lubricity. So therefore, by using this product, your seals, your rubber components, they stay more malleable, meaning that you don't have oil leaks or gaskets or things that fail near as quickly. You also don't have the tick from a cold weather startup because of lack of lubrication. The MOA actually makes the oil stick onto the mechanical components. And because everything is more lubed up and cleaner, an efficient engine, or a clean engine, is an efficient engine. So therefore, you're going to see an improvement in fuel mileage. This is one part of a three-part kit. You can use it by yourself, or we'll use the whole three-part kit. But we're going to give you an option when you come in. You can do just the full synthetic oil change. It's going to be a reliable oil. It will work. It will meet the specs. But if you want to go a little bit above and beyond, you want to do just a little bit extra and actually see those savings come back to your wallet through the gas savings, through repair savings, maintenance savings. It's just, we've seen so many tests on the bench and different things like that, that this is just a no-brainer. It's like $30 an oil change more. But instead of now doing a 5,000 mile oil change, we're literally able to bump that interval to 8 to 10,000 miles. BG says I can actually go 10,000 miles on my oil change using MOA. And so that's what we do. So now my oil changes aren't near as often. So we have other maintenance programs that actually make even more sense. Our customer favorite and our best one is the three-part, where we have the EPR, the MOA, and the 44K. We have a tire rotation thrown into that package. That's our customer favorite. That's the most bang for your buck. But that just allows you to take care of a lot of maintenance services in one short visit. Nonetheless, come by, see me. My staff will educate you on what works best for you, your budget, and your vehicle. I'll see you in the next video.